Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, guys, today we're in room 4529. Here we go. Disney's Caribbean Beach. This is one of the hotels, if you've watched our other vlogs on Disney resorts, I consider this the standard when it comes to rating Disney hotel rooms. I love this hotel. I love everything about this hotel. The beds themselves, very comfortable, 2 queens. Get 4 pillows per bed. This drop down, you guys, if you've ever watched any other channels, you've got a, what I believe is maybe a twin bed drop down. Got that backsplash with Mickey. We got the room next door for the kids and Uncle Corey.
Oh, it is adjoining.
It is adjoining. Yeah. So a lot like the other Disney hotel resorts, you get a small dinette area, decorated ideally for Caribbean.
It's not carpet.
Was it not carpet? Is it
was
carpet in the other
always
ones?
carpet, the yellow carpet. They're starting to remodel the room.
Oh, holy jeez.
Wow.
I don't remember that. Underneath the 5th sleeper, you've got these drawers here. Kind of small, guys. Most of the hotels with the 5th sleeper have that size drawer, but you get 3 of them. You do get 2 larger drawers here. In this room, not every hotel offers that. But yeah, that's a good bonus. Great size TV, got a great place to store stuff up top. And of course you got a little refrigerator, one of the mini fridges. Let's crank this thing all the way up if it's not already. Yeah, okay. And of course, if you guys have watched any of our other Disney vlog hotels, I take all of these Joffreys. Oh, we got a ghost in here. I take all of these home and enjoy Joffreys at the house. The bathroom itself, dual sink, which is nice outside of the toilet, and it smells like somebody pooped in there recently. But you got plenty of space to put shoes, the extra blanket for the 5th sleeper. You have a locker, of course an ironing board and an iron, but plenty of space to hang clothes. So you get about, what is this, about 12, 15 hangers. If you need more space, you can always bring more hangers. 2, 1 recycling, 1 trash can, and a full-length mirror, which is great for the ladies in the morning. Hi, this is what I look like. And then you got a full-size shower with, of course, the Disney H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Love that. Love even more. You got 6 towels. Love even more that you get the H2O body lotion. That stuff is great for tattoos, guys. Somebody knocking at the door? Oh, somebody's knocking here. There you go.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What's that?
You got adjoining rooms. Look at that.
We've got one giant room.
Yeah. Same thing rocking over here.
Uh-huh.
Got the 5th sleeper already down. All right.
Saving for the rooms is bigger, and it's because of the floors.
Where were we last when I said something about like the spacing here? I was like,
At Port Orleans.
was it Port Orleans?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta say it's probably the same size. Port Orleans, the biggest difference is they have the storage under the beds.
Yeah.
Not a necessity here though. I mean, you do have some space back here you can throw suitcases. We always throw them over here against the doors. But one of my favorite things is you walk in the room, and being Florida, they already have 65 degrees set on the thermometer. So it's nice and cool, which is great. because it's hot. Guys, Magic Kingdom closes at 11 p.m. tonight. It is, my Apple Watch is dead. So just outside the door, we've got basically a water view. We are in the Jamaican building. And right over there, guys, is the island. You just take the bridge to get over to the island. You can see off in the distance there, whoop, way over there, that is the pool. That's the pool. That's the pool right over there. The big pool, the major pool with the water slides and all the fun stuff. But it is good to be back at Caribbean Beach. You can see the Skyliners up ahead, or up above. And yeah, guys, this is for me a Disney standard when it comes to staying on property. Disney Caribbean Resort has everything that you would want as a kid, as a parent. So still one of my favorite places. I'm gonna end this by showing you this. The Florida love bugs. That's right. They're out and about. They're everywhere. See them connected right there? The larger one, smaller one. They love each other. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to bother you. Anyway, that is the room. 4529. 4530. Kids are staying.
Way back before we blew it all.